In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in Freshsales CRM. Whether you're looking to present your brand professionally or ensure your contact details are always included. Setting up an email signature is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First, open up your web browser and go to the Freshsales website. It's also commonly known as Freshworks now. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Login button. Click on that to start the process of logging into your account. Enter your email and password to gain access to your Freshsales dashboard. If you've set up two-factor authentication, make sure to have your phone handy for the verification code. After you've logged in, direct your focus to the top right corner of the page. This area houses your profile icon. It's typically represented by your initial or a small profile picture. When you click on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll through the options and select Personal Settings. This is where you'll be able to make many adjustments to your account, including the email signature we're focusing on today. Next, within the Personal Settings, look for the Email tab. Click on it to reveal a series of email-related settings. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Email Signature. This is where the magic happens. In the provided text area, begin typing the signature you want to attach to your outgoing emails. You might include details like your name, title, company, and contact info. Many people also add a logo or social media links to enhance their professional appearance. Take your time to create a signature that truly represents your personal or professional brand. Once you're satisfied with how your email signature looks, it's crucial not to forget the final step. You'll see the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the settings page. Click on this to store your work. This ensures every email you send from now on will be gracefully capped with your new signature. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've enhanced your email communication by adding a personalized touch with your signature in Freshsales CRM. Remember that you can revisit and edit your signature anytime by following these same steps. By adding this signature, you're not just wrapping up your emails with flair, but also ensuring that anyone you communicate with has easy access to your contact details. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!